you guys can still remember me. So my name is, because we have a new student. So my name is Syahirah. Okay, you can call me Puan Syahirah or just Puan Syirah. Kalau tak ingat pun, kalau tak ingat panggil Puan or Madam. Okay. So for this 3 days class, we're just gonna focus more on the exam prep topic. Okay. Today and on tomorrow, we'll do a recap some of the topics that we have learned in the class. So there will be a lot of exercise for you to prepare for the exam. And at the third day of the training, hari Rabu lah kan? Okay, you will do a mock-up exam that I have created based on the real SCA questions. So the questions objectives almost the same with the real one. Okay. So I have created around 15 multiple choices questions and 31 simulation questions in the mock-up test. But in the real SCA exam, there will be only 11 multiple choices questions and 21 simulation questions. So you guys have 50 minutes to complete the exam. And because we are still in MCO phase, you guys will take exam online at the comfort of your home. So you guys boleh, okay, mungkin boleh Google ke kalau tak tahu. Tapi kalau nak Google ke, guna phone lah, okay. Jangan guna you punya komputer. Okay? You guys dengar kan?
Dengar.
Okay, alright.
Dengar.
Okay. So, alright. So without further ado, let's begin our class. So you guys dah download dah semua folder, semua files yang saya dah bagi tadi, link tadi?
Dah download.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let me stop my video cam and share my screen. Okay, sekejap ya. Let me pause. Something wrong with my illustrator. Let me reset my illustrator. Okay, keluar tak? Saya punya illustrator share screen ni.
Keluar.
Okay,
Keluar.
Ya, got it.
Okay, so sekejap ya, saya tengok course outline. Okay, can you create new document? Go to create new. Okay, so nanti kan guys, ada soalan dalam essay exam di mana dia akan suruh kita create new document. Okay, dia bagi tahulah, dia tanya kita can you create a new document by using a preset. So this is a preset. Okay guys, this is a document preset. So the question is dia suruh kita buat create a new document using web, contohlah web preset, and then dia suruh kita give it a name. Okay, so if you want to rename, if you want to give your documents a name, so you put the name here. Okay, and then dia suruhlah kita buat size berapa, ataupun dia ada tanya soalan, okay, dia tanya soalan ni tau, choose the minimum preset. Contohlah, so you choose the preset from this preset lah. Okay, and then okay, so the question dia akan tanya okay, size. They want you to create this specific size. So you put the size here, width and height. Okay. It's a very simple question. The direct question je. Okay. For now, can you okay? You just select the common preset, web preset. Choose web preset and choose common. Okay. Okay. So this the first option here allows you to give your file, your document a name. Okay. So let's say just okay. Kenapa bising tadi? You guys nampak dengar suara saya tak?
Dengar jelas.
Okay.
Dengar.
Tadi macam
Please make
bising.
sure
Okay.
if anyone can use the mic and mute it, please. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. And this is the unit measurement of your document. Okay, we have pixels, points, picas, inches, and so on. All right. If you want to change your unit measurement, you can just click the drop-down menu here. And then this is the orientation. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, this is the orientation of your document. This is a portrait, landscape. And this is the artboard. Okay, how many artboards do you want to put into your document? Okay, so kalau you ada 2 artboards, you just increase the value 2. And then this is the bleed. Okay, so bleed ni hanya untuk printed document. Okay, document yang you nak print. Kalau web tak perlu. Okay, so siapa ingat bleed tu apa? Siapa boleh volunteer? What is bleed? What is bleed line?
Alamak, macam mana nak explain?
Area lebih untuk printing tu.
Yes, that's
Nak
correct.
potong.
Betul.
Bleed potong.
Nak potong. Okay, bleed ni, okay, is a printing that goes beyond the edge of where the paper will be trimmed. Okay, we create bleed line to prevent your printed product from having a white lines around the border. Okay, kalau tak ada bleed line, nanti contoh kalau you punya poster lah atau pamphlet, okay, kalau dia ada you ada color background and you nak warna tu sampai ke edges of the paper. Okay, you tak nak ada warna putih-putih, warna border warna putih. So you kena buat bleed. Okay, so this is very important lah kalau you nak print something. Okay, and then this is a color mode. Okay, if you notice, if I change to print, okay, nampak tak dia tu color mode dia automatically change to itulah according to the preset. Kalau print, the color mode is CMYK and the raster effect high. Okay.
I'm so sorry,
ni,
Syahirah. I'm sorry to
the
bother
default size
Syahirah.
is 72. Okay, ada chat lah sekejap saya chat.
Hi, Syahirah. Syahirah, can you hear me?
Oh yes.
Sorry. Okay, currently you are having 27 students. I need to move 2 people from your class. Is it okay or is it okay with 27?
How about other class? Is it
We have another, Madina's class can go in another 2 more of them, but yeah, I will randomly pick.
okay, sure.
Sure, please let your students know. I will randomly pick somebody to go into Madina's class because there's more than 25 currently here. So I have to go.
Sorry,
Hmm.
Miss. Sorry, my account has 2 accounts
Okay.
because I used 2 screen.
You are using 2 screen. Ahmad Batia, is it? Okay,
Yes.
then I have to move 1 person. Is that okay? Okay, Syahirah, back to you.
Okay, all right.
All right.
Okay, and then if you click more settings, okay, this actually a setting kalau you biasa guna CS6, dia guna yang ni. Okay, betul tak? Okay, and more settings ni kan dia ada spacing between the artboards. Okay, so if you have more than one, okay, you can define the spacing between the artboards. Okay, so nanti kan ada satu soalan tu, saya takut you dapat soalan tu lah sebab question dia random. Okay, tapi saya tahu question dia macam mana. Okay, so dia akan tanya, dia akan suruh kita buat a new document with this preset, and they want you to rename the file, give the document a name, and then they want you to create multiple artboards, maybe around 2 ke 3, I tak ingat, and then they want you to create spacing. Okay, dekat sini tak ada spacing tau. This new document option box, there's no spacing between artboards. Okay, so you have to click more settings. Okay, you can use this option to put the value. Okay, you guys faham kan? Okay, then spacing dengan columns. These 2 option tak ada dekat dalam new document option box ni. So you have to click click more settings, okay, to specify a value for the spacing and columns. Alright. Okay, just click common. Okay. Okay, leave others as default, and then click create. Okay, sekejap sudah check participants. Siapa yang terkeluar. Okay, alright. Okay. So this is sekejap guys, saya banyak message daripada Sesi lah. Okay, alright. Okay, at the top we have a file menu. Okay, kita ada file. We have a application apps. We have a menu bar. Ya Allah, lupa dah. We have a menu bar. Okay, we have a file menu. Okay, this is to create new document, edit, to undo, redo, object menu. Okay, this is to you want to rotate an image or scale up, scale down, arrange, alignment, group, ungroup, and so on, type, and so on. Alright, okay, this one kita panggil apa? Guys? Ini kita panggil apa?
Workspace.
Okay, workspace switcher. Okay. So Illustrator have provide some of the workspace preset that you can use. Alright, and this is a search bar where you can find a stock photo or if you want to search for tutorials pun boleh. Okay. Alright, kalau let's say you forgot to align, how to align an object. So you just click here first and then choose Adobe Help and then just type. Let's say I forgot how to align an object. So you just type lah align and then press enter. And then it will open up your internet browser and then dia akan cari tutorial how to align your objects lah. Alright. And then on the left side, okay, is your tools panel. Okay, you boleh click a double arrow here to expand and collapse it. Okay, and you can drag it. Alright. And then, okay, kalau ada triangle dekat tool icon ni, apa maksud dia? What does it mean?
Ada tool.
Ada hidden tool.
Yeah.
Yes, that's correct. Ada hidden tool. Ada hidden tool nested under the tool. Okay, so you have to click and hold down your mouse to select the hidden tools. Okay. Contohnya macam rectangle tool ni, kita boleh click and hold down our mouse, and then we can clear this off by clicking this right side bar. Okay. And then if you want to attach back, okay, you just move the tools panels until you see the blue vertical line. Okay, saya tak nak ajar balik semua sebab you guys semua dah tahu kan. Okay, alright, nanti kan guys, ada satu soalan tu dia akan tanya, okay, dia akan tanya, okay, how to change the orientation of your artboard in your current document. How to change the orientation. Mana guys? Tak ingat ke? Macam nak tukar orientasi dia kepada portrait. This one sekarang ni.
Tools.
Yes, that's correct. Use artboard tool.
Right.
Okay. Use artboard tool.
Tengok dekat properties atas.
Yeah. Okay. So after we have select the artboard tool. Okay guys. Okay, boleh tak I nak you change workspace switcher to essentials classic. So guys, so you guys semua sama macam saya. Boleh tak? And then please click reset. Okay. So kalau you baru open Illustrator, okay, yang new student yang baru open Illustrator, okay, dia punya workspace switcher ni set to essentials tau. Bila essentials dia tak ada ni. Dia tak ada. Atas ni kita panggil control panel. Yang tadi tu kita panggil control panel. Okay. And then, okay, I want you to switch back to essential classic. Wow. Okay. Okay, so, you tak perlu buat, you just tengok je. Okay, I have one object and one text here. Okay, okay. So every time I select an object, okay, you will notice you punya control panel ni and your properties panel change based on the object that you have selected. Okay, bila I select object, you will get alignment option, you will get shape option where you can change the corner size. Okay, then you get alignment, you get stroke, and so on. If you select a text, okay, you'll get you will notice that you punya control panel ni dah tukar. you'll get options for to change the font style. Okay. Properties ni dia lebih kurang macam sama dia macam control panel. Okay. So if you want to change your text in your phone, you can use the control panel or properties panel. Tools panel. Control panel, ya Allah. Okay, sorry. Control panel. All right. Let me check the question, the real SEA question. Okay, can you open this file? Okay, go to your folder. SEA Specialized Days AI. Go to number 3, folder, workspace. Can you open this file named stationaries?
Kat mana nak dapatkan file ni? Saya baru masuk, sorry.
Oh, ya ke? Okay, sekejap sekejap, saya share.
Okay.
Okay, Eugene. Okay, you have shared already. Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, so we have a multiple artboards in this document. Okay. You can navigate. There are several ways how to navigate your document. One of the way is you can use you can just click. Okay, use the hand tool. Or you can use your horizontal scroller, sorry, vertical scroller and horizontal scroller. Or you can use your navigator, which is located under window menu. Navigator ke? Saya tak ingat nama dia apa. Navigator, betul. Navigator. Okay, just let me place on top of the panel. Okay, so you will navigate, the panel. Okay. And then you can also use your zoom tool to zoom in or zoom out. Okay, to zoom in, you just select your zoom tool and then just click, drag your mouse to the right. Okay, if you want to zoom out, drag to the left. Right, left, right, left. Okay. All right. Okay. How to fit your active artboard on your screen? What is the shortcut key for that? Anyone can answer? How to fit
Shift
active
O.
artboard
Command
Control
zero.
on your
Control
screen?
1.
Okay, is Control 0. Okay, Control plus to zoom in, Control minus to zoom out. To fit all the artboards on your screen, you have to press Control alternate 0. Okay, if you have a multiple artboards and you want to fit all the artboards on your screen, press Control alternate 0. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me open this document. Okay, can you go to number 4 folder, selection? And then can you open this file named cake selection? Okay. So there are 5. Okay, if you look at your tools panel, okay, there are 5 type, actually 4 lah, 4 ke 5, 5 lah. 5 type of selection tool. Okay, this is called selection tool. Okay, this one. This tool allows you to select, move, and transform objects or groups by clicking or dragging over them. Okay, so if you want to select an object, you have to select it. Okay, if you want to move an object, you have to select it. You have to use this selection tool. This is the main tool to select, to move, to delete, and do a transformation like rotate or scaling, okay, or shearing. To select an object, you need to just click on the object. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, every time you select an object, you'll get this box called apa alamat? Tiba-tiba terlupa pula. Bounding box. Okay, this blue box called bounding box. Okay, and if you want to rotate an object of this object, you can move your cursor. Okay, dekat dia punya luar ni. Okay, and you will notice your cursor has changed to arrows. So you boleh rotate, you can scale up, scale down. Okay, if you want to scale proportionately, okay, you nak dia resize secara sekata, okay, you have to hold down shift key and then drag your mouse. Okay, to select multiple objects, you can either hold down shift key and select other objects. Okay, bila you select multiple objects, you will get a bigger bounding box. Okay, if you rotate it, it will rotate. Oops. Okay, kalau if you select multiple objects and when you rotate, it will rotate all of them. Okay, and if you want to deselect everything, you have to select background, select the background, or you can press, or you boleh deselect lah. What is the shortcut key for deselect? Okay, you just have to click background lah. Okay, so background ni dia lock kan? Saya dah lock background ni. Okay, so saya senang lah deselect dia. Alright. What else? Okay, if you want to group an object, okay, you can hold down shift key, select multiple objects, or you can highlight it. This will create a marquee. Okay, yang kotak tu, yang the grey line box ni kita panggil marquee. Okay. Alright. And then right click, group. Okay. to ungroup, or you can just use a shortcut key. Okay, Control G is the shortcut key for group. Okay, if you want to ungroup, right click and then choose ungroup. Okay, to choose the color, to change to different color, there are several ways how to do that. Okay, you can use your fill box here on tools panel, you will double click. Okay. Okay, you can choose lah. Okay, let's say I want to choose blue color. So you drag up. Okay guys, ada soalan kan dalam AC exam. Dia akan bagi dia suruh kita create color based on the RGB value or CMYK value lah. Okay, dia letak lah R 30%, R 30, G 50. So you buat, and then dia nak kita save warna tu dalam swatches panel. Okay, so you kena tu lah. So you kalau nak buat macam, kalau you nak create the color based on the question, you just double click the field and then contoh, okay, dia suruh kita letak okay, value for R 60, G 70, B 150. Contohlah guys kan. And then click OK. Okay, alright. And then they want you to save the color inside your swatches panel and then give that color a name. Okay, so you click your swatches panel. Okay, then you can drag the color from here. Okay, or from here. Okay, or okay, because you want to give the color a name, you need to click this plus sign. Okay, sebab kalau you drag macam ni, okay, dia akan bagi nama default lah, which is CMYK, because this file is in CMYK kan. Okay, sebab tu dia punya nama ni in CMYK color. Okay. Okay, so if you want to give the color a name, you click plus sign, and then you can rename the color from this option. Contoh blue, bright blue. Okay, and then okay, click OK. Dia suruh kita bagi nama je. Okay, save the color and give the color a name. So macam ni je. So yang lalai ni tak perlu tukar apa-apa. Okay, unless dia suruh kita tukar kepada itulah, kepada color type lain ke apa, tapi dalam soalan SA tak ada. Dia suruh bagi nama je. Okay, then click OK. Okay, then you have it. Okay guys, ingat kelas, dia ni keluar. Alright. Okay, next is direct selection tool. Okay, ni untuk apa? Anyone can volunteer? What is direct selection tool?
Select pass.
Lah kat sini dah ada
Select
kan?
point pass.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Okay, we use direct selection tool. Sekejap ada. Okay, Syami tanya, dalam SCA exam nanti short key available tak Madam Syahirah? Saya tak pasti. Shortcut key boleh guna shortcut key, tapi cuba guna jangan guna shortcut key lah. You kena cuba try right click ke ataupun pergi ke menu. Okay. Saya tak pasti. Dia boleh detect, tapi saya tak tahu macam mana dia consider cara tu betul ke atau salah, tak tahulah. Tapi better you use long way, cara yang panjang lah. Macam right click ataupun pergi ke menu. Okay, Ami ada soalan? Okay, Amir tanya, are we using the Illustrator software for the exam or website? Okay, untuk ACA exam nanti, you guys kena masuk website satu website ni. Bukan, sorry, Skill City akan send you the link to the website, to the exam lah, exam website lah kan. And then you gonna click, and then kan dia punya Illustrator kan, dia built in dalam browser tu. So it's a bit lagging tau. A bit laggy. So you so you control the Illustrator inside the browser. Okay. You guys pernah dengar tu tak? Apa panggil tu? Dia apa panggil sharing screen? Sharing apa nama app? So dia sharing screen, and then kita boleh apa nama dia, tak ingat lah nama dia. Apa ya nama dia?
Guna team viewer kan?
Okay, I just dia macam Illustrator dalam browser tu. Okay, saya tak pasti you perlu ada Illustrator ke tak. Sebab dia macam sebab kita buat exam tu dalam browser. Illustrator tu dalam browser. Okay, tapi you better nanti saya cuba tanya Skill City macam mana. Student ni perlu ada software ke untuk take the exam. Tapi saya rasa tak tau, saya rasa tak. Dia macam team viewer lah. Dia lebih kurang macam team viewer. Yep, that's correct. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Let's continue. Okay, so direct selection tool. So we use this to select individual anchor points or path segments to modify a shape. Okay, so bila kita select ni, okay, kita boleh modify dia because we can select the anchor point here. Okay, this is a anchor point, not a transformation point. Kalau you select, you guna selection tool, select. Okay, this point yang putih-putih ni on the bounding box, this is called transformation point. Okay, so this transformation point allows you to transform your object lah. Okay, you boleh scale, you boleh rotate. Okay, tapi kalau anchor point, we use anchor point to modify a shape. Okay. Okay. So dalam direct selection tool ni ada group selection tool. Okay. So this group selection tools, okay. Group selection tool ni untuk apa? Lets you to select individual object within a group. Okay. So okay, kita guna ni, saya actually jarang guna. Saya jarang guna group selection tool ni sebab kita dah ada isolation mode where we can select individual objects inside a group. Okay, so isolation mode ni, you guys tahu kan isolation mode? Isolation mode ni, let's say I have grouped this candle. Okay, so if I want to select individual object inside a group, I just double click it. Okay, and sekarang ni you dalam isolation mode. Okay, dalam isolation mode, you will notice that other objects dia punya color a bit dim, dia macam wash out. Okay, and we cannot select other objects. Okay, we can only select objects, a group of that group that we have double click it. So inside isolation mode ni kita boleh select individual object. Okay, so isolation mode ni dia dulu dia introduce these features Adobe introduced in Adobe Illustrator CS6. Okay, so previous version, when designer want to select individual object inside a group, they use this tool to select individual object inside the group. So okay, let's say I want to select this little fire here. Okay, kalau you notice saya dah group dah candle ni. Okay, if I want to select individual object, I just use my group selection tool. Klik dekat sini. Nampak tak dia select? If you click again, it will select a group inside the group. Okay, sebab saya dah group dua-dua ni together. Okay, and if you select it again for the third time, dia akan select all the objects in the group. Okay, so one click to select single object, double click to select a group inside the group, triple click it will select all the objects inside the group. Okay. Okay, let me switch back to direct selection tool. And then we have a magic wand tool. Okay, macam Harry Potter tu. Okay, so magic wand tool lets you to select objects with similar properties or add more. Okay, so let's say, I want to get all the yang kertas-kertas ni paper ni, sama-sama pergi paper lah. Okay, I want to change to different color. Okay, sebab ada banyak paper ni, takkanlah saya nak select one by one. Okay, jadi kalau ini senang lah kan, only below than 10, but let's say if I have 100 of object that have the same color, takkan saya nak select one by one. So, I use my magic wand tool to make things faster. Okay, just select it. Select and then change the color. Okay. Okay, this tool only allows you to select. Okay, magic wand tool ni only allows you to select. If you want to move the object, okay, after you have select it, use your selection tool and then move. Okay. Okay, I notice kan ada banyak new user, if they want to move several objects, dia akan klik dekat background ni tau. Jangan buat macam tu tau. Okay, if you want to select multiple objects, you have to place your cursor on one of the object dekat dia punya fill color ni. Okay, jangan select dekat background ni. Kalau you select kat background ni to move the object, it will deselect everything. Okay, you have to put your cursor on the fill of the object to move it. Right? Okay, and then let's say I want to change this stroke circle, this yellow stroke circle. Okay. Bila saya klik dekat sini. Okay. Okay. I only want to select the yellow stroke color. Okay. Tapi kenapa yang ni juga the red stroke color ni dia selected juga, kenapa? Okay, so you kena double click this one. Okay, let's say if you only want to select the yellow stroke circle, okay, you have to double click the magic wand tool. Okay, and then you have to change it to stroke color. By default, it will select, when you use a magic wand tool, it will select all the same fill color. Okay, sebab this one and this one have a transparent fill, that's why they select semua. Okay, but if you want to select same stroke color, you have to uncheck this one and click this one. Okay, so this tolerance level kan guys, tolerance ni kan, okay, let's say you want to sometimes kan, okay, if you have a height tolerance, okay, let me change back to blue color. If you have a height tolerance, oh, okay, maybe around this number. Yes. Okay, tolerance level ni, okay, if you want to kalau you punya tolerance level ni tinggi kan, dia akan select colours that are nearby. Okay, warna-warna yang akan sama dengan warna merah ni. Okay, if you want to select only that colour on a specific colour, you have to reduce the tolerance level. Okay, okay, contohlah, okay, this warna merah. Let me create other objects a bit different than this colour. Okay, if I use my magic wand tool, if my tolerance is high, okay, this one juga. Okay, toh. If I have a high tolerance, okay, itulah 100 kan. Pelik juga. Selalunya kalau tinggi kan, if my tolerance is high, dia akan select warna-warna warna-warna merah lah. Semua warna merah. Tak kisahlah gelap ke terang ke. Okay. Okay, alright.
By default dia akan letak 20 lah tolerance dia.
Default dia 31 ke 32, saya tak pasti.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Okay, next is a lasso tool. Okay. So lasso tool, okay, lets you to select objects, anchor points or path segments by dragging around all or part of the object. Okay, let's say, okay, we use this tool to select, basically we use this tool to select multiple anchor points quickly. Okay, contohnya, okay, okay, let me select this, let me use my direct selection tool. Okay, saya double click lah. Saya double click so that we enter isolation mode. Okay. Okay, if I use my direct selection tool, then let's say saya nak select some of the anchor points here. Okay, so it's a bit macam susah sikit lah kan. Okay, kalau objek ni senang lah. Tapi kalau ada objek lain yang have a irregular shape, okay, it's really hard to use direct selection tool. So that's why we use a lasso tool to select anchor points easier. Okay, if you want to use to use a lasso tool, you just drag, you kena macam drag your mouse, create a circle. Okay, lebih kurang macam tu lah kan. And then, okay, this lasso tool only allows you to select an anchor points. But to move the anchor points, you have to use the direct selection tool. Okay, then, okay, move your cursor on one of the anchor point and then move it. Okay. Okay, I punya icing cake ni dia a bit jagged tau. Macam tak smooth kan? How to smooth out the jagged shape? Macam nak smooth out? Anyone can volunteer? Tool apa yang kita guna? Hello.
Bukan dekat pensel tu ada smooth tool.
Okay, yes, that's correct. You use a smooth tool. Okay, it's under shaper tool here. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, let's say if your lines are a bit jagged, and you want to smooth out the line, or tak kisahlah line or shape lah. Okay, you want to smooth out the shape or line, you can use a smooth tool. Select it, and then yeah, kat sini a bit jagged, so you just drag along the line to smooth out the line.
So dia akan kurang anchor point.
Yap, dia akan kurang. Okay. Dia punya rule of thumb dia kan guys, lagi banyak anchor point, lagi a bit, dia lagi jagged lah. Okay. Lagi banyak dokumen you, kalau lagi banyak anchor point, lagi berat dia punya dokumen. Dan lagi dia punya shape tu lagi jagged lah, jagged tak smooth. Okay. Alright. And then if you are done, okay, double click the background to exit isolation mode. Okay. Oh. Okay, tolong mute kan Tolong mute. Okay. Now. Okay. Can you open this document called dots? Okay, anak you try buat. Okay, nanti SA exam lebih kurang macam ni. Okay, anak you try buat. Dia dalam dokumen, dalam folder yang sama. Which is dalam folder number 4, selection. Okay, change the green circle to black circle using magic wand tool. So you click sini and then double click the fill box, click and then black. Okay. Then change the blue stroke circle to yellow stroke circle using magic wand tool. So double click. Okay. Uncheck the fill color. Select the stroke color because you want to select same stroke color. Then click the blue and then double click it. Okay. Ya, warna dia dah ada dalam sini kot. Okay, lepas dah select, okay, I just use my swatches. Oh. Alright, you are done. Okay, you guys, semua okay ke? Boleh buat tak?
Okay, okay.
Alright, okay. Okay, sekejap ya. Okay, sekejap Give me a minute.
Could you show me where to get the magic wand tool again?
Sure. Oh, sekejap. Give me a second. It's here. It's below the selection tool.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Okay, guys, give me a minute. Okay, can you create a new document? Go to file and then choose new. Okay, just choose a preset common. Okay, just click create. Okay, tak perlu adjust apa-apa. Just leave it as default. Just click create. Now let's recap how to align objects. Okay, all right. I want you to create 3 different rectangle with 3 different color. Kita nak 3 dah, around 4. Okay, semua dah? Ada yang tak tahu macam mana nak buat ke? Okay, done. Okay. Okay, there are several ways how to accurately place and align objects in your document. Okay, ada banyak cara macam mana kita nak align object. Okay, one of it is using align panel. Okay, so go to window and then choose align. Right. Okay, let's say, okay, there are 3 types of alignment. Okay, if you click here. Okay, kalau you punya align panel macam ni je kan guys, ada only have a 2 row. Okay, you can either double click or triple click this align panel, or you can click the align panel menu and then click show options. Okay, boleh klik kat sini show option to reveal all the options available in align panel. Okay, alright, there are 3 types of alignment. Okay, in Illustrator. Okay, if you click here, okay, we have a align to selection. This will align relative to the bounding box of your current selection. Align to key object. Okay, so align to key object ni dia akan align relative to you punya key object lah. Okay, nanti saya explain. And then align to artboard. Okay, this will align all your objects on the edges or relative to your artboard. Okay. Okay, let's start with align to selection. Okay, anak you select align to selection. Okay. Kenapa tak boleh ni ya? Okay. So select all your objects. Okay, choose align to selection. Okay, if you click the, okay, we have a 6 type of alignment. We have a we can align if objects using this option. Okay, the first one will align horizontally to the left. Okay, so bila you click ini, okay, dia akan align horizontally to the first object on the left. Which is the blue one. Okay, bila you click kat sini, nampak tak? And if you click the horizontal align center, it will align horizontally to the center of your object. This will align horizontally to the right side of your object. Okay, so dia akan align, dia akan align dekat dia punya bounding box yang paling kanan sekali. Okay, dia relative to your bounding box. Okay. And then this will align vertically to the top, okay, center, and bottom. All right. Align to key object. Okay, if you notice when you select align to key object, bila you click kan, you akan notice, that you punya outline ni, dia punya path ni, selection ni dia bolder. Dia punya line ni lagi bolder. So that is the key object. Okay, let's say I nak all the objects have a same alignment with the green one. So my green one is my key object. Okay, so after you have select the green one, okay, tapi you can choose yang dulu lah, align to key object, choose your key object, and then okay, I want to this one lah, I want to align vertically to the center. Okay, anak semua ni ikut have a same alignment with this one. So choose vertical align center. Okay. Ataupun let's say I want all my objects have a same alignment with my red one. Okay, so I nak dia I want to align them horizontally to the center. So I click this one. Okay, that is the key object. All right. Then we have a align to artboard. Okay, kita ada. Okay, this is to how this is used when you want to align your objects to the edges of your artboard or to the center of your artboard. Okay, top, center. Okay, kalau you punya objek susunan dia menegak macam ni, You can use this one. Yes. Center and horizontal align right. Let me undo. Okay, let me align it to the center. All right, let's say, okay, you want to distribute the spacing evenly. Okay, you nak dia punya gap ni sama size. Sekarang ni saya punya gap ni tak ada sama size. Dia punya gap ni tak sama size. So kalau kita nak sama size, want to distribute the spacing evenly, we use this option. Okay. So because my the arrangement of my objects macam ni kan. Okay. So I use this one to Sekejap. Oh, I need to change to selection, align to selection. Okay. And then bila kita klik yang ni, dia akan gerakkan objek dekat center ni untuk supaya spacing dia sama. Okay. Di pasal yang ni dengan yang ni dia tak akan gerak. The yellow and the blue one, yang kiri, objek yang paling kiri dengan kanan dia tak akan bergerak. Dia hanya gerak objek dekat tengah ni. Nampak? Sekarang ni kita akan dapat even spacing. Okay. Let's say kalau you punya objek kiri dengan kanan ni jauh, kan, bila you click the horizontal distribute space, you will get a wider gap. Okay. Kalau you punya objek paling kiri dengan kanan ni dia rapat, ni saya kecilkan je lah. Okay. Okay. So bila kita klik ni, you will get a narrow gap. Okay, dia depends pada jarak objek you paling kiri dengan paling kanan. Okay. Sekejap ada orang message. Okay. Alright. Let's say you want all your objects have a spacing, have a specific spacing lah. Okay. Let's say I nak setiap objek ni ada 20 pixel spacing. Okay. So you have to select all the objects. Okay. Saya nak setiap spacing ni 20 pixel, 20 pixels. So you have to select all the objects. Change the align to key object. Sebab apa? Okay, bila kita select align to key object, we can key in the value here. Nampak tak? Dia available. This box is available when you choose align to key object. If you use other alignment, dia grey out. Okay, see? Okay. Choose align to key object to make this box available. Okay, then now I want to I want all the gap have 20 pixel spacing. So you type press enter. Don't forget to click this icon. Okay. Or let's say kalau you nak 1 inch in different unit measurement. Okay, 1 inch. So you kena type the correct measurement. Bila you press enter, dia automatically convert to pixels. Okay. Setiap kotak dalam Illustrator ni dia macam ada built-in calculator where you can convert your unit measurement. But you have to make sure that you type the name of the unit measurement correctly. Okay. So after 1 in, press enter, and then last step is to click the distribute icon. Okay, use this option if the arrangement of your objects macam ni lah. Okay, kalau susunan you macam ni, okay, use this one. Okay, vertical distribute space. All right. Okay, now I want you to open this folder, aligning. Okay. Okay, anak you buat. Okay. Nanti kan, okay, dalam essay exam ada soalan ni tau. Dia suruh kita align object. Question ni lebih kurang macam ni lah. Okay. Okay, you can start now. Okay, kita rehat pukul 11 eh.
Okay.
Okay. Align all the animals horizontally to the center of the artboard. So the keyword is artboard. Okay, keyword the artboard. So align to artboard and then select all the animals, align horizontally to the center. So this one lah. Okay, horizontal align center. Okay. Okay. Dia soalan ni kalau dia tak cakap distribute, jangan distribute eh. Kalau dia cakap align, align je. Jangan buat benda lain. Okay. Okay, vertically align all the animals relative to the red animal, this kangaroo. Okay, so select all the animals. Okay. So key object, align to key object. So select the kangaroo, the red one. Okay, so vertically align. Dia tak cakap vertically align. Mana-mana lah kot. Ini vertical align center. Okay. Saya punya soalan lagi susah tau. Soalan SEA lagi senang. Okay. Alright, next. Align all the animals vertically to the center and evenly distribute them by 5 mm. So bila kita ada specific value ni, kita kena guna key object. So kenapa dia grey out? Align to key object, my align to key object is grey out. Okay, sebab apa? Kita kena select dulu objek ni. Okay, to make the align key object available, you have to select all the object. And then change the align to key object so that this box available, and then type 5 mm. Okay, this one, okay, saya simple dulu. Okay, 5 mm, and then after I put the value, click the icon horizontal distribute space to even out the spacing. Okay, 5 mm. Okay, semua boleh ke? Can I hear your voice?
Boleh.
Boleh.
Okay, alright. Semua boleh kan? Boleh buat kan?
Everything okay?
Kalau alright. Okay, now, okay, you can mute your microphone. Okay, now I want you to open this alignment EX This is a very simple exercise. Okay, I nak you align the second artboard. Okay, I nak you align second artboard ni, I nak you ikut saya punya first artboard ni. Okay, so this is the reference. Okay, alright, you can start now. Okay, semua dah siap ke? Ada yang belum siap? Atau tak buat?
Belum.
Okay. Okay, so yang ni. Okay, so for the map, this map, okay, I want to put the map on the center of the artboard. Okay, so I change my alignment to artboard. Okay, and then click horizontal align center and these two vertical align center so that dia betul-betul dekat tengah, dia betul-betul dekat center of the artboard. Okay, and then okay, let me lock the object so that it won't move around while I'm doing others. Okay, so to lock your object, okay, we can go to object menu and then choose lock selection. Okay, the shortcut key is Control 2. Okay. And then, okay, yang ni pun sama, this one. Okay, these 3 circles. Okay. So I just select all the circles here. Click the horizontal align center. Oh, sorry, I need to change to align to selection. Okay, because I want to align based relative to the selection. So choose align to selection. Click the horizontal align center and vertical align center. Okay, and then you boleh better you groupkan dia lah. Okay, right click and then choose group. Okay, you ada smart guide yang warna magenta tu. If you notice, okay, nampak tak? You guys nampak tak dekat sini kan? That is called smart guide. The purple guide yang line-line yang keluar tu kan is called smart guide. Okay, kalau you guys tak ada smart guide tu, you kena enable kan dia. Okay, you have to turn on the smart guide by going to view and then choose this one. Make sure that this is tick. Okay, so kalau dia dah tick, maksud dia you punya illustrator dah ada smart guide. Okay. And then, ini pun sama circle ni. Okay, you just click the horizontal align center. Okay, saya lupa nak mention, lupa nak tu ya. Okay, let's say I want to change the stacking order of these circles. Okay, maksudnya saya nak, okay, I nak tukar dia punya hierarchy lah. Hierarchy of the objects. I want to bring this up, this yellow circle up. Okay, so right click, transform, arrange, bring to front. Okay, so bring to front, dia akan bring to the topmost level. Bring forward, dia akan bring up one by one, by layer, by layers. Okay, send backward, send to back by layer. Send to back is it will move down to the bottom of the layer. Okay, paling bawah sekali. So because I want to bring this up, so bring to front. Okay. Okay guys, let's say contoh lah kan. Okay. Contohlah sekarang ni kan saya punya yellow circle ni dia hidden. Okay, dia tersorok. Okay. So macam mana kalau saya nak select hidden object, the small hidden object without moving any object. Okay. Faham tak? Macam mana how to select hidden object at the back without moving any object in front of that object. Okay, anyone can volunteer? Macam mana nak select objek kat tengah tu, dekat belakang objek objek grey circle ni. Siapa tahu ni orang volunteer? Siapa dapat jawab saya bagi RM1. Nanti you bagi account number.
Kalau buat box tu select.
Okay. So macam mana kita nak select objek dekat belakang yang tersorok tu tanpa gerakkan objek dekat depan. Siapa tahu? Siapa ingat?
Basically, select all objects. They have a smart guide, and you can see the line on those. You know something right behind the gray object.
Okay.
I'm
So
not sure.
that's not the answer. You have to change to outline. View, outline.
Change the outline, yes.
Okay, the shortcut key is Ctrl Y ataupun you boleh right click here. Okay, right click. Do not select anything. Right click and then choose outline. Okay, to select hidden object, then arrange, bring to front. All right, and then you can unclick, right click, and then change back to preview mode. Okay, so that's how we do it. Okay, how to select object, hidden object without moving any object. Okay, ataupun you boleh guna layers. Tapi layers nanti kita topik lain lah. Alright, and then select all the objects. Click the horizontal align center and then vertical align center. Okay. Okay, let's say saya nak dia betul-betul centralize. So I select this all the 4 circles, this one and this one. Then group it. Right click and then choose group. Okay, so this one you need to duplicate it. Okay, there are 2 ways, the 2 cara. Okay, how to create another copy of the same object. Okay, the first way is by copy and paste. Ctrl C to copy, but you need to select the object first. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay. Currently my path color is in yellow color. Okay, I susah nak distinguish between the objects. So if you want to change your path color, this one yellow color ni, I think it's too bright lah. Dia macam tak contrast kan. So you can go to window menu and then choose layers. Okay, let me bring out the layers. Okay. Okay, sekarang ni dia warna kuning I tak I nak tukar warna lain sebab dia tak kontras. Okay, sebab I punya objek ni pun most of them is in yellow color. So if you want to change your path color, you can double click the layer. Jangan double click the name tau. Double click here. Okay. Click here and then change the color to different lah. Warna biru lah. Okay. Okay, now it has changed to blue color. Okay, ada 2 cara You boleh either copy and paste. Okay. Or you can duplicate it. To duplicate your object, okay, you can hold down alternate key. You can select dulu. Select object yang you nak duplicate, hold down alternate key. Okay, you'll notice you punya cursor jadi ada you'll get a cursor macam ni. Ada 2 arrow. Warna arrow ni hitam dengan arrow putih. So click and drag. While dragging, you can hold down shift key so that it move in a straight line. Okay. Okay, and then you can do that again, or you can press Ctrl D to repeat the previous action. Okay. All right. And then this button. Okay. Button. Click the vertical align bottom, and then I want all the buttons have a even spacing. I click this one. Okay. Oh, this one I just macam ni je lah kan. What else? Oh, this one. Okay. Select all the numbers and then click the horizontal align right. Okay, so because I think because all the numbers have even spacing. Okay, dia sama size, gap dia sama size, so choose this one. Supaya you punya ni sama size, sama gap, same gap. Okay. This one, okay, let me change to align to artboard. Then choose horizontal align center. All right. Okay, so far, do you have any questions? Kenapa Nazar cakap tak tahu
All good, all good.
Alright.
Wan ada replay boleh tak? Sebab saya baru masuk lah.
Replay mana ni?
Ada lah.
Ni siapa ni? Ni siapa?
Saya Amin.
Amin. Kelas
Ya.
mana
Grup C.
Grup C. Oh, grup first saya kan. Okay. Alright. Tak boleh lah, tak boleh repeat lah. Dan nanti ada orang record tak? Nanti on the third day, nanti hari ketiga nanti kita buat exercise. Agaklah kita buat exam mock-up. Nanti ada soalan alignment. Ada soalan.
Saya ingat skill city dia rekod lah.
Sama macam real essay exam. So time tu kita boleh recap balik apa yang kita belajar lah. Okay, alright. Sekejap saya baca chat. Okay. Okay, Nazar ada record. Okay. Alright, thank you. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, saya tak nak record saya punya sebab saya takut lagging. Okay, saya punya memory pun rendah sekarang ni. Saya punya memory berapa gig ke tinggal, so that's why saya tak record. Okay, thank you. Okay, what else? Sekejap saya check outline. Outline. Okay, boleh tak I nak you create new document? Okay, let me close other documents. Okay, I nak you create new document. Okay, you can go to file and then choose new, or you can click the create new from the welcome screen. Click. Okay, I just use my common preset. Okay, create. Okay. Okay, ada beberapa cara. Okay, there are several ways how to accurately place and align objects in your document. So one of it is using align panel. Align panel yang kita belajar tadi. Okay. Cara lain kan, the other ways is to use grid and guide. Okay. So grids, okay, soalan apa tu dalam essay exam ada satu soalan ni, dia akan tanya dia nak kita apa tu change the number of subdivisions in grid. Benar soalan dia, okay? So grids ni, okay, sekejap okay, if you select your properties panel, okay, kalau you select you punya properties panel, kalau tak ada properties panel, you can bring out the properties panel from the window menu. Okay. You can enable the grid, okay. Right. You can bring out the grid by using properties panel, or you can go to view and then choose here kat sini. Okay. Okay. So dalam soalan exam, dia akan tanya dia nak kita tukar subdivision of grid. Okay, and align and every apa soalan saya tak ingat. Okay. So if you want to change the number of subdivision in grid, you can go, it's under the preference panel. Okay, dia dekat preference panel. So click preference panel. Ni ingat guys, keluar memang keluar. Kalau you guys lelaki dia keluar. Soalan dia macam random, a bit random. Okay. So select guides and grid tab. And then okay, dia ada bagi tu lah. Ada bagi description di mana dia nak kita tukar grid line every 42 pixels nak tukar. Okay, so you change lah 42 pixels subdivision kepada berapa? 5. Depends lah. Okay. Tengok pada soalan. Okay. So ni cara dia. Okay. Pergi ke preference menu and then go to guides and grids. Please remember this guys. Kalau you guys laki, you akan dapat soalan ni. Okay. And then click OK. So we use grid. Most of the professional designer lah, they use grids to control the structure of a layout and to achieve a consistent and organized design. Okay, it is most commonly used to build editorial page layout. Contohnya macam magazine layout, okay, web design layout, mobile design layout. Okay. Contohnya, okay, saya bagi contoh ya. Okay, bila you enable the grid, you make sure that you snap to grid lah. Okay, select snap to grid. So bila you snap to grid, so bila every time you move or create new object, dia akan snap to the grid. Dia punya grid cell ni. Okay. Contohnya kalau saya nak buat, let's say I nak buat kotak. So nampak tak dia macam dia akan snap bila I create object, dia akan snap to the grid. So you kalau you guna grid kan, okay, dia tak perlu banyak sangat guna align panel. Sebab apa? Dia dah properly align. Okay. Sama juga kalau you ada text. Okay, so this is line. Then this is sub headline. Okay. Okay. So most of professionalnya layout designer lah yang banyak buat layout. Selalunya web ataupun web designer banyak guna, memang dia memang kena guna ni lah grid system ni sebab dia lagi senang, lagi tersusun, lagi structure. Okay. Okay, you guys nampak kan? Okay. Alright. Okay guys, ingat tak macam mana kita nak tukar the number of subdivision? Okay, macam mana? Anyone can volunteer? Saya nak, okay, sekarang ni saya ada 1, 2, saya ada berapa subdivision? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So saya nak tukar subdivision ni kepada 3. Macam mana?
Preference.
Yes, preference. Okay. Preference, guides and grid. Okay. Tukar kepada 3. Okay. Grid line every. Nanti dia pun akan tanya grid line every ni. Okay. 10. Okay. Alright. Okay, let me remove the grid. Sekejap give me a second. Okay. Nanti soalan dia akan bagi macam shape tau. Apa sih shape tu? Dia akan bagi shape. Okay. Okay, dia akan suruh kita, ni simulation test. Dia nak suruh kita buat. Simulation test ni dia nak suruh kita buat. Okay. So, dia tanya macam mana, okay, how to convert the shape to a guide. Macam mana kita nak convert shape ni kepada guide. Saya ada ajar you guys kan, macam mana. Saya ada shape ni. How to convert this to a guide. Okay. Kita boleh create a guide from the shape by right click the object. Right click and then make guide. Okay. So sekarang ni dia dah jadi guide. Okay, guide ni dia tak, bila kalau you print out kan, let's say you punya artboard ni ada guide, okay, you print out your document, guide ni dia tak visible on your printed material. Okay, dekat atas paper dia tak keluar. Guide ni tak keluar, dia hanya guide. Okay. And then dia akan tanya juga macam mana kita how to create vertical line guide and horizontal guidelines. So you kena bring out rulers. Okay. So rulers is on the properties panel, ada rulers kat sini, this one. Okay, you can bring out the rulers by click this icon. Okay. Or you can go to view and then choose rulers. Okay, show rulers. So there are 2 types of rulers. Okay, ada 2 jenis ruler. Artboard ruler and global ruler. Global ruler ni, okay, let's say if you have multiple artboards, let me create a new artboard. Okay. You can switch the global rulers to artboard or vice versa by right click and click this one. Okay. Okay, global rulers. Okay, here all artboards share one ruler. Okay, kalau you perasan. Okay, this is the ruler origin of this is the ruler origin at the start with 0. Okay, kalau you tengok this one, bila second artboard nampak tak? Bila I select second artboard ni, number dia still dia masih continue. Okay, number ni. Okay, so global ruler dia share one same ruler. Okay, every artboard share one ruler. Kalau artboard rulers, okay, when you select second and third, you will notice dia punya ruler origin dia start from here, start dekat sini. Okay, artboard rulers, each artboard has their own ruler, and this ruler only appear when you select the artboard. Okay, kalau you select first artboard, you tengok number dia continue kan. Tapi kalau you select second artboard, okay, and third artboard, dia akan change the ruler origin. Okay, you can change your unit measurement by right click. Okay. Okay, let me remove the artboard using artboard tool. Press delete. Okay guys, nanti kan. Okay, ni you guys take note Okay, tapi saya semua orang tahu. Okay, alright. Nanti ada satu soalan dalam ACA, dia akan tanya how to bring out the bleed line in your current document. Macam mana nak keluarkan bleed line. Okay, you tak boleh create new document you kena bring out the bleed line on the current document. Kat mana? Guys, kita dah ajar kan? Macam mana? How to bring out the bleed line in the current document?
Tekan file and then document setup.
Yes, that's correct. Document setup. Okay. And then let me change to millimeters. The standard size is 3 mm. 3 mm and then click OK. Okay, so ingat guys, macam ni. Okay, kalau nak keluarkan bleed line dalam you punya document, klik document setup. Soalan ni dia akan keluar. Nanti kalau you laki dia akan keluar. Okay. Okay. Guys, so far do you have any questions? Okay, sebab sekarang dah pukul 11.10 dah.
So far okay.
Yep,
Okay.
everything.
Tak ada soalan? Anyone?
So far okay.
Okay, so far good. Okay, alright. Okay, so we have, okay, kita ada 50-minute recess. Okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.